Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and I have another grocery haul for you guys. But so many of y'all had requested me go through how to do the Walmart grocery ordering online and the pickup. So many of y'all had questions, so I'm gonna run through that with y'all. So if you already know how to do the Walmart pickup or you're not interested in any tips and tricks, just fast forward to me actually doing my grocery haul. But I did want to show you how I do my meal planning as well. So many questions y'all have had about that. So what I do, guys, is Pinterest is my friend. I have a actual recipe book as well. I have a notepad where I have rotation of recipes that I like to cook here and there, so it's not the same old and the boring. Y'all know you get in a rut sometimes and you just cook the same stuff because it's easy. I don't like getting in that rut. I like to really make it fresh every week and have new things or try old things and just mix it up. So what I do is I have a tried and keepers board on my Pinterest board, and guys, y'all can follow me on Pinterest as well. These are all recipes I've done on Foodie Fridays or recipes that I haven't shared with y'all that I love and I always put in the rotation. So when I click on it, it's got all my recipes that I've made before. There's the pizza sliders, and it's easy for me to get to the recipe really fast to see the ingredients that I'm going to need for my grocery hauls. So Pinterest is the bomb, lifesaver there. Then while I'm using Pinterest to make my meal plan, I'm writing my meal plan for this week. So I'm going to be making Taco Bell copycat Mexican pizzas, and I will be doing a collab video with my girl 50 Shades of Mom. We're going to be doing copycat restaurant recipes, and y'all had requested the Mexican pizza one from my last Taco Bell copycat. Baked ravioli I've made on the channel before, and just some good old manwich and fries. So I only need 3 things because I still haven't made my red beans from last week, and I know that will, go into this week as well. So that's going to save out on money. And for a dessert, I'm still trying out some Mountain Dew recipes. I'm going to be making a Mountain Dew Code Red bundt cake. So that is on my meal plan. The Mountain Dew cake I made last week, guys, was incredible. So I'm going to try this one, and I will share with y'all on Foodie which one I like the best. But it was outstanding. My husband could not refrain himself. He loved that cake so much. So as I'm making my list from Pinterest, I put some ingredients I know I'm going to need from certain recipes down here. I like to make a full list. I haven't made my full list yet. I'm going to come back. But that's how I like to get started with doing my Walmart grocery order. So here we are with Walmart, guys, and you just want to type in Walmart grocery. As you see there, it'll pop up. And when it comes up, the first thing you want to do is reserve your time slot, because you don't know how many times I've made my full list and added to my cart, and the next available time to pick up is like 4 days away, and I'm like, I need my groceries now, so that's not going to work out. So I'm going to go ahead and reserve, and I want to reserve for tomorrow, and my store has all available times. As you see, they just upped a lot of spots, so that's why. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put, I'm going to put 12 o'clock and 12 to 1 p.m. so you can pick up any time between then. And then once you pick a time, you're just going to keep shopping. I'm actually going to pick this up probably later. All right, so I actually just changed it from 1 to 2 because I just remember we're going to be in town, so I want to make sure that I'm in town to pick up my order, and I can go back and change that at any time. And what I love about it, guys, is that my spot is reserved for tomorrow, as you can see there, and then my cart's empty. But if I come down here, they give you featured items, and then it says reorder your essentials. So if you click on view all, it's going to bring up everything that I've ordered from Walmart before, so you do not have to type in everything on your list every time, because that can be time consuming. Once you've ordered it the first time, the very first time, it will be time consuming since it's your first time doing this. But once you've done it, they have everything saved here, and you can just go back and add things to your cart really, really quick and easy. I love it. So the only time you have to type anything in and search it if you've never ordered it before. So that saves tons of time. And y'all had some questions about when you go and check out. So you will go and you will put your credit card information in after you have everything added. So I'm just going to add this just to show y'all. So it adds it to my cart, and then it tells me my subtotal there. I can change the quantity here. I can take this out. I can add more things to it. So this is very user friendly. But at the very end, it will ask you for each item if you want to have substitutions. Now, if you do want a substitution, like for the Velveeta, if I don't mind getting another brand, I will put a check next to it for substitution. And if they don't have Velveeta and they have Great Value or another brand, they'll give me that in the place of it, so I don't leave without getting any cheese. But if you have it unclicked, they will only give you the Velveeta brand. So certain things we are brand loyal to, so I will unclick it for certain things, but most of the time I don't care. And what's nice is, like, if I ordered this extra sharp Great Value cheese, and they didn't have it in stock. A lot of times they will upgrade you to the name brand, but you still pay this Great Value price, which is amazing. So I really love that aspect of using this Walmart grocery order, because you do a lot of times get upgraded and you pay cheap prices, so that's always the bomb. Now, a lot of y'all have asked me if I have an Aldi's, if I have Kroger, if I have Trader Joe's. We have a Trader Joe's, but it's like 2.5 hours away, and I have no Aldi here at all, and y'all said that place is the bomb, and I wish we could have one, but this Walmart is my cheapest option for groceries. So y'all keep telling me all these wonderful things, but this is what I got, and this is what I got to work with. So I hope that helps answer some questions as far as how the online works. Y'all let me know down below if you have any other questions, but it's super easy. So you just check out, and then they will send you an email when your order's ready to pick up, but it's always going to be ready to pick up during that time frame that you selected. So you pull up, you will call that number that y'all saw last week, that's at my store anyway, and they'll come out and they'll load your groceries for you and put them in your car. You don't have to get out. Kids stay in the car. It is so nice, and you drive away with your groceries. So that's why I love it, especially with 2 little ones. It can be a challenge having both of them in the store, so this saves me the headache for sure. So yeah, that's Walmart grocery order. So let's see what I picked up this week as far as groceries. All right, y'all, so it is the next day, and we went ahead and picked up our groceries from Walmart. So guys, when you go to pick up your groceries, all you have to do is call the number on the sign. They will come out and they will put all the groceries in your car for you, and you just drive off. It is so amazing, guys. I highly recommend it, and hope that this video was a little helpful, giving you some questions answered on how to do your Walmart grocery pickup. So I hope you try it, and let me know if you try it how your experience was with it. So let's get into my haul for this week. So just like last week, thank y'all so much for telling me about the Rice Crisps, the cheddar cheese ones on Amazon. So they are about 50 cents cheaper if I order these on Amazon with free shipping. So this is probably the last time you're going to see them on a grocery haul, because I think I'm going to order them from Amazon to save about 50 cents. So that was a pretty good deal that y'all told me about. So thank you so much for that, because these are like $2.98 at my Walmart, and they're $2.48 I think on Amazon. So that will save me. So I'm definitely going to be looking into that more. Y'all know I hauled these last week as well. This is the gluten-free Great Value bite-sized tortilla chips, and this is the party size. This is, let's see, 32 ounces, guys, and it's $2.98 for this huge bag. That's such an amazing deal, and it lasts us all week with Trey and his queso. Y'all know his issues with that. And guys, I could not believe y'all's prices for milk. I was so jealous, because yes, $3.75 to $4.10 for a gallon of milk here where I live in southern Louisiana. Y'all were telling me like $1 and something. That is insane. Our half gallons aren't even $1 and something. So super jealous with that. So oh yeah, don't tell me any more stories about the milk, because it's just depressing, honestly. And I just want to mention that everything that you're going to see in this grocery haul was $96 including tax. So I did keep it under my $100 budget. Each week I like to be under $100 for my groceries. Y'all know the hubby likes these Hot Pockets, and he told me he specifically wanted the Philly steak and cheese ones this time and not the others. He likes the barbecue ones, but they don't sell them at my Walmart anymore. I don't even know if they make the barbecue kind, but that was his jam back in the day. He even asked me, he's like, Nicole, they have the barbecue? I said, no, baby, I don't see them. So he's like, all right, Philly steak and cheese. So I got him 2 of those. These are from Mama. This is the Michelini's Spicy Chicken Alfredo. I know these aren't the best for you guys, but I bring these for lunch, and they're easy and quick when I'm only getting like a 20-minute lunch break at work. So that definitely works for me. I went ahead and got 3, and I just tried the Spicy Chicken Alfredo. I've been getting the regular like penne with chicken, and I really like this one. It has great flavor, and they're $1, so you cannot beat it. I went ahead and got 2 things of ground meat, because we are going to be making manwich one night this week, and I'm going to be making that copycat Mexican pizza recipe, so I needed a pound of ground meat, so I got 2 of those. And then I needed some butter. I'm going to be making that cake, and I do have butter, but not enough. So this is the Great Value unsalted butter. I always buy unsalted. Especially with baking, I like to make sure that is unsalted. So I got one of those. The infamous cheese that Trey eats, and I hate this stuff, guys. It's like glue when it gets on stuff, but like I told y'all before, he loves this stuff, and that stuff's expensive too. It's like almost $3 a thing, and he goes through at least 3 a week. We have one already in the refrigerator, so I'm hauling 2, but just know that I have to pick up probably 1 in between the week when he runs low. I am going to be making my baked ravioli that I've made here on Foodie Fridays before. I'll link that up in the cards before if you've never tried it, but it is one of our favorites, definitely in the rotation. So I went ahead and got some of this Great Value cheese ravioli. It's great and it's super cheap. I said last week that we like to have cinnamon rolls on Sunday mornings, and I don't mind this Great Value brand. I think it's really tasty, and it's like $1.62 for that here. Again, my cinnamon raisin bread, I'm in love with this stuff. I love eating 2 slices in the morning with my coffee on the way to work, and this is the Great Value brand. It's super cheap, and I think it's really great. Very comparable to like the name brands that are almost $3 a loaf. I needed some eggs, and these are just Great Value eggs. Y'all let me know, if we're talking about milk and all, y'all let me know how much your eggs are, because these were like $1, I don't want to say like $1.62 or $1.80 for a dozen of eggs. I know I can sometimes find these at the Dollar Tree, not as much anymore for $1, but y'all let me know how much your eggs are. I'm curious to see that. Stay off the milk topic, it's too depressing. I did get some more of these Taylor Farms apple and walnut salads with chicken. It comes with the blue cheese, the cranberries, the walnuts, the apples, the chicken, and that dressing is the bomb. Guys, I highly recommend this. This is so good, and it's less than $3 for a salad, so it's very, very affordable, especially for lunch. So I got 2 of those for my lunches this week. With the ravioli, we're going to be making some Caesar salads, so I went ahead and got some Market Side Premium Romaine salad, and this is the bigger one. I think it was like $2 and some change for this bigger one, and that will feed us for 2 nights probably as far as salad goes. I needed some green onions for that Mexican pizza recipe, and they gave me the organic kind. I know I didn't pay for those. Sometimes they'll give you something. They said there was no substitutions today, but I know I didn't order the organic, but hey, I'm not complaining. I needed some Roma tomatoes, and I got 3 of them for the Mexican pizzas as well to go on the top. If y'all are Mexican pizza fans from Taco Bell, y'all know they have that on the very top. To go along with our Mexican pizzas, I love this Nor Fiesta sides. Either the Spanish or the taco rice is fine with me. I think it tastes really great and it's easy, and guys, this is like $1, so yeah, you can't go wrong. With the Mexican pizza recipe, the recipe called for everything, obviously Taco Bell, which I usually get like the cheaper version, but I wanted to make sure it was authentic, so I got the more expensive kind. So this is a Taco Bell taco seasoning mix, so I need that for my ground meat for the Mexican pizzas. I needed some taco blend cheese for our Mexican pizzas, and I always get the Great Value cheese, shredded kind at Walmart. It's cheese, guys. There's no difference in the brand. For my raviolis, I needed some mozzarella cheese to go on the top, so I got 2 cups of that. And then Paw Patrol, I got the cheese bites. And let me tell you, I eat these more than Waylon does, and you don't get that many in there, as you can tell. But I just went ahead and got this one because he does like eating his dog cheese, as he calls it, and it's like $1.60 for this bag, so it's not like it's super expensive like the regular bags are. So I went ahead and got one of those. Then I got some Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt. I like the Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt over the Oikos now because it has some different flavor to me. If you're a fan of Greek yogurt, y'all let me know down below. I can't talk. But the Oikos just seems like it tastes more artificial now. They changed the way that it's made or something, I don't know, but it tastes different from what it used to. So I like this cherry kind by Light and Fit, and the Greek kind has 12 grams of protein. So anytime I can get in my protein that way is good for me. Let me get all that out the way. To go along, I'm making that Mountain Dew Code Red cake, and whichever one tastes the best, the one I made last week or the one I'm making this week, I'm going to share on Foodie eventually, but I needed some maraschino cherries, and this is 10 ounces to go in the cake because it's Code Red, which is cherry flavored, so I got one of those. And then for my Mexican pizzas, I needed some Taco Bell hot sauce. It was specific for that, and this is 7.5 ounces. Manwiches one night, I needed some manwich mix to go with it. And then it needed refried beans for the actual Mexican pizzas and for my side. So I went ahead and got the Taco Bell brand 2 cans of those. Y'all know we like these mini muffins, the hubby. Y'all said that y'all's hubbies were like little children too and liking kitty stuff, and Waylon loves these, and we're out. Probably getting one of these a week. We did get coupons and last week's inserts for these, so I probably won't be putting these in the grocery haul and using the coupons, because yes, you cannot use coupons when you're doing the grocery haul, and a lot of y'all had concerns with that. But guys, honestly, I don't use coupons a lot for food anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. For my Code Red cake, I needed some actual Code Red, and there's my order tag, but they didn't have any 2 liters, so I went ahead and just got a 20 ounce because I only need like 12 ounces anyway, I think, something like that. We like this 100% juice apple punch, and this is great value. It has no sugar added, 100% vitamin C, and I dilute it anyway with water for the kids, and they enjoy this. Last week I said the hubby and I, this is for us, the Cran Grape 100% juice for me and the hubby with no sugar added. We love having that sometimes in the evenings. And then for Trey, I dropped off these Juicy Juice splashers last week to his therapy, but we need some for Waylon and for Trey at home for their lunches and for the evening. So I got these 10 pouches, and this is, all they had was the fruit punch flavor. These are 50% less sugar, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial sweeteners or colors. So these are way better than the Capri Suns. Y'all were asking me about this and y'all hadn't heard of them. And honestly, guys, these are cheaper than the Capri Sun. So it's a better buy and it's better for your kiddos. So I will buy these if I cannot find the 100% juice boxes. They're not as big, so I like to get these because you get more juice out of them, more quantity. And my kids drink stuff like nobody's business. So again, my menu, and I mentioned it earlier, is the Taco Bell Mexican Pizzas, the copycat recipe. That will be coming to Foodie this Friday, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And that will be a collab with my girl 50 Shades of Mom. She's going to be doing a copycat recipe as well. And then I'm making the baked ravioli and the salad. And we're gonna have manwich and fries. I do have red beans left over that I'm gonna be making, so that's why I don't have 4 things on the menu and just 3, because I have one that rolled over from last week. I try to put 4 things on the menu a week, and usually one always rolls over. And yes, this was $96 including tax for everything. So that was my grocery haul this week, guys. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if me talking about the Walmart grocery order was helpful. I hope it was. And if y'all have any more questions about it, leave it down in the comments down below and I will be glad to answer your questions. And make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not with me already, because I did grocery hauls over the summer and I'm trying to get them back weekly on the channel. So I'm trying to be consistent. So this is my 2nd week back and I will be continuing to do them. So if you're not with me, stick around so you can see my grocery hauls and my meal planning every single week. Love you guys so much. Y'all have a great day and a great rest of your week. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.